UK Lindapter facility today, and I'm going to demonstrate what we can do to our GrateFast product and show how much torque you can actually apply to it in real life. So on the bench here today, we've set up a little piece of grating, and I'm going to drop this in and slide it, simulate what it would be like for somebody to install the GrateFast product. So I'm just going to start to hand tighten it there a little bit. I've got a torque wrench here, which is set for 11 Newton meters, which is our recommendation, which is about 8 or 9 foot-pounds. We're going to start by torquing it that much. And there we go. That's 11 Newton meters. And right now, you can see there's no deformation. Very little bit maybe in the top hat there. It's by design. Now, what I'm going to do right now is show you. Let's pretend as you're installing, like many people would be, you maybe don't have a torque wrench at your disposal. With this hand tool, I'm going to torque on the thing as much as I can do. It will continue to deform the top hat slightly, but as you can see, the top hat now is starting to come together onto the bolt head. It's becoming very difficult for me by hand to torque this anymore. That is as much as I can do with this hand tool. The part is very secure and it's very safe at this point. Now, to take the example to an extreme, I'm going to demonstrate how, even if you were to really abuse the product and install it in a proper way, how it will not fail. You can see from this angle, the hat does continue to deform somewhat. We're probably 2 to 3 times the recommended torque. But the important piece to understand is that at no point is anything failing in this process. That's got to be somewhere around 30 Newton meters, way more than anybody would ever do by hand. So once again, just demonstrating that the GrateFast product can be way over torqued from our specifications. Obviously, we don't recommend that, but from a safety perspective, it's not going to fail.